Another thing that we advise the administrations of the masajid and the communities is networking with the other Salafi communities. And this is something that we are very pleased that we see. This is something that we are very pleased that we see. We see the Salafi masajid networking, coming together, having conferences, having lessons. And it's a very, very tight network by the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal. And that helps one another. We help one another. We assist one another. For example, Masjid al-Shura is in touch with other masajid in the area, in Washington, in Virginia, in Baltimore, in Philadelphia, in New Jersey, in Florida, in North Carolina. And we help and assist one another. In other parts of the country, we help and we assist one another. And to give you an example of that, and this is the term they say, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You've heard of that term? There's stuff that takes place in communities that have more experience and knowledge than this community, for example. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. When you network with those other communities and you say, listen, we're experiencing this, or we would like to do this, and the other communities say, yeah, we've done it. In fact, it worked very, very well. Or be cautious of this, or be cautious of that. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. When you network, it benefits you. The Salafi communities do not work in isolation. The Salafi communities do not work in isolation. We have our masjid, and that's it. We don't network with others. We remain isolated. We don't do that. There's a very large network of Salafi masajid here in the States.